So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa in white with those black alloy wheels and 5 doors as well as tinted windows around the rear. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot. We'll then work our way around the rest of the car and finish up by going through some controls. As we approach the boot, you can see we have plenty of boot space. That rear seat will fold down as one complete unit to increase this space furthermore, should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the total miles for the car, which are 12,649. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information by using controls on the indicator stalk, back round to the speedometer again. And above that, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair up the phone, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center. Hit the phone icon, and then hit search device and follow the instructions on screen from there. This car's also got satellite navigation. As you can see, it's lovely clear color display. Very easy system to use as well. And when it comes to music in this car, we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. On top of that, you can also project some certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen by connecting your phone up via its USB cable. We have the city button to make the power steering lighter. We can also turn on the heated steering wheel and the heated passenger seat. Heated driver seat is on this side, and then deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo. We then have air conditioning, so you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. Well, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. And we have a rear heated screen as well. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input, a couple of cup holders, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.